In 2026, a major survey found that 47% of Americans cannot cover a $1,000 emergency from their savings. If their car breaks down or their water heater dies, they have to put it on a credit card. They are living one bad day away from total financial ruin. An emergency fund is not an investment. It is not supposed to make you rich. It is financial body armor. It is the difference between a minor inconvenience and a full blown financial crisis. Without it, every unexpected expense forces you deeper into high interest debt, which traps you in the paycheck to paycheck cycle indefinitely. Here is the exact blueprint to build yours in 90 days. Step one is a starter fund. Stop everything else you are doing financially. Stop making extra debt payments. Stop investing beyond your employer match. Your one and only financial goal right now is to save $1,000 in cash as fast as humanly possible. Sell things on eBay. Drive for a rideshare app on weekends. Cancel subscriptions. Pick up an extra shift. Do whatever it takes to get $1,000 into a high yield savings account. This is your buffer between you and the credit card company. Step two is a debt purge. Once you have your $1,000 shield in place, you shift all your extra energy and money toward eliminating your high interest consumer debt. Credit cards, personal loans, car loans, attack them using the debt snowball or debt avalanche method and wipe them out completely. This step frees up cash flow that you will need for step three. Step three is the fully funded fortress. Once your consumer debt is gone, you take all that freed up money and build a full emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of basic living expenses. Not your full income, just what it costs to keep the lights on, a roof over your head, and food on the table. If you're single with a stable job, 3 months is sufficient. If you're a freelancer, a business owner, or you have a family depending on your income, you need 6 months. This money lives in a high yield savings account earning 4 or 5%, not in a checking account where it will be spent. When you have 6 months of expenses sitting in cash, your entire relationship with the world changes. Your boss threatens to fire you. You do not panic. You have 6 months to find a better job on your own terms. The transmission blows on your car. You write a check. It is an inconvenience, not a catastrophe. A medical bill arrives. You handle it without touching a credit card. There is one more thing most people miss about the emergency fund. It is not just about money, it is about decision making. When you are financially desperate, you make desperate decisions. You take jobs you hate because you need the paycheck. You stay in situations that are bad for you because you cannot afford to leave. You make fear-based choices instead of opportunity-based choices. Financial security does not just protect your bank account, it protects your judgment. It gives you the ability to make decisions from a position of strength instead of desperation. There is also a practical question about where to keep your emergency fund. It should not be in your regular checking account because you will spend it. It should not be in the stock market because you might need it when the market is down 40%. It should be in a high yield savings account at a separate bank from your main checking account. The slight inconvenience of transferring money creates a psychological barrier that prevents you from dipping into it for non-emergencies. A common question is whether to invest while building your emergency fund. The short answer is build the fund first. Yes, you might miss some market gains in the short term, but if you invest your emergency fund money and the market drops 30%, right when your car breaks down, you are forced to sell at a loss to cover the expense. The emergency fund is not an investment decision. It is an insurance decision. The cost of not having it is always higher than the cost of having it. Cash is oxygen. An emergency fund buys you the ultimate luxury in life, peace of mind. Start your $1,000 sprint today. Subscribe to Money Simplified for more, and I will see you in the next one.